Alright, picture this. You, starring in your own claymation adventure, but instead of dragons or aliens, you're battling your credit score. Weird? Maybe. Effective? Absolutely. Today I'm handing you the top hacks to boost your credit score fast, all in glorious, squishy, stop-motion style. Let's get rolling. First up, the basics. Pay your bills on time. I know it sounds boring, but in the world of credit, this is your superpower. Every time you hit that paid button before the due date, your clay avatar levels up. One late payment? Boom, you just lost your magic sword. Now let's talk about credit utilization. This is a fancy way of saying don't max out your cards. Try to keep your balance below 30% of your credit limit. So if your credit card limit is $1,000, spend no more than $300. Imagine your clay self balancing on a tightrope, and every extra dollar is a gust of wind. Stay under that limit and you'll cross to the other side like a champ. Next hack, ask for a credit limit increase. Sounds intimidating, but it's actually pretty easy. Call your card company or click around on your online account. If your limit goes up but you don't spend more, your utilization drops and your score climbs. Just don't celebrate by going on a claymation shopping spree. Check your credit reports for errors. You get one free report each year from each of the big 3 bureaus. Spot a mistake? Dispute it. Think of it as finding a weird clay monster lurking in your garden and you get to kick it out. These errors can drag your score down, so don't ignore them. Piggybacking, also known as being added as an authorized user on someone else's credit card. If your friend or family member has a good credit history, ask if they'll add you to their card. Suddenly, all their positive payment history starts helping you out. It's like recruiting a trusty sidekick for your clay quest. And here's a sneaky pro tip. If you have old credit cards you're not using, don't close them, unless they have crazy fees. The age of your accounts matters, so keeping those old cards open helps you look more experienced in the eyes of the credit gods. Alright, let's wrap this up. Claymation or real life, credit scores don't jump overnight. But with these hacks, you can speed up the process, dodge some pitfalls, and maybe even have fun along the way. Remember, the best time to start was yesterday. The next best time, right now. If you found these hacks helpful, drop a comment below. I'll see you, and your growing credit score, in the next adventure.